Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my monthly essential rewards box for the month of October. So what this box is I placed an order with Young Living on what's called the Essential Rewards Program. So every month I place an order. It's basically like Young Living's rewards program or loyalty program, where every time I place an order, they reward me with points that I can use like cash and also tons of freebies every single month. It's really exciting. This is also how I've been able to slowly over time ditch and switch the toxic, yucky, chemical-filled products in my home that I used to use with safe ones that are safe for me and my family. This monthly order is not like other subscription boxes where the company picks what goes in your box and gets delivered to you. I get to hand select everything that comes in my box every single month, and it's only things that I need or I want. This monthly order is also how I restock or replenish the things that we have ran out of that we use every single day, like toothpaste, baby products, supplements, household cleaning products, and of course essential oils. But instead of getting those things from Target or Walmart like I used to, I now just get it all from Young Living because I, number one, trust that they are all super safe for me and my family to use. Number two, I can do all of my shopping online from one spot, from this couch in my comfiest pants if I want to, and it all gets delivered straight to my door. So I don't have to lug any of my wild children out into the stores. So without further ado, let's jump in and I'm gonna show you what I got. So like I said, I use this order to restock on the things that I have used up or ran out of. So one thing that I like to make sure that I never run out of is my Thieves dish soap. So whenever I switch to a new bottle, I like to put another one in my Essential Rewards order. That way I never run out, so I don't have to like run out and go to a grocery store and buy something I don't want to buy. So I always make sure that I have extra on hand. I love this dish soap. It's super concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. And that's how it is for a lot of Young Living products. But we have those dish wands with the replaceable heads on it. And what I do is I fill up the dish wand handle about 1/3 of the way with dish soap and then fill up the rest with water. So I'm really dividing this bottle into thirds. So it's 12 fluid ounces in this one bottle, but really times it by 3, and that's how much soap I'm getting out of one bottle. Another question that I've gotten is, does this Thieves dish soap smell like the Thieves essential oil, which has some spicy essential oils in it? It smells kind of like fall. And the answer is no. This is actually in the Citrus Fresh scent, so it's a citrusy scent made with a lot of like citrus essential oils, but it also does have the Thieves blend in it as well. This Thieves dish soap is made with all plant-based ingredients, free from SLS, SLES, dyes, formaldehyde, phosphates, and synthetic perfumes. My absolute favorite thing though is that on the caution section on the bottle, it says, if swallowed, drink plenty of water to dilute. It doesn't say call poison control, and that just shows me that this is all plant-based ingredients. Not that you want to drink it straight out of the bottle, but if your kid accidentally gets a hold of it, it's okay, just have them drink plenty of water. That puts my mama mind at so much ease. Another thing that I restocked on was Ningxia Red. So I like to make sure that I have Ningxia Red on hand at all times. I drink 2 ounces at least every single day. Ningxia Red is a wolfberry antioxidant supplement drink, and it's jam-packed of antioxidants, jam-packed full of antioxidants. You would have to eat something like 1,200 blueberries in order to get the same amount of antioxidants that you can get from 2 ounces of Ningxia Red, which is insane because I'm not going to be eating 1,200 blueberries in a day. But we really need antioxidants to help fight the free radicals in our body. And free radicals are linked to disease and things like that. Everybody has free radicals to some extent, more so if you live a stressful life or if you're not eating like good for you foods, things like that. Pretty much everybody today, just with the exposure to everything, we need extra antioxidants in our life. So this is a great way to get extra antioxidants to help support our bodies, and it's also infused with essential oils. So my favorite way to drink this is to add 2 ounces to a glass mason jar and then fill up the rest with sparkling water. Lately I have been loving Spindrift. I think that tastes great with it, especially the berry lime flavor. That one's my favorite. The way that I usually order Ningxia Red is to get the Essential Rewards kit, and you just get a bunch of Ningxia Red sent to your door. And it's the best way for me to do it because that way I'm not having to order it every single month. But what you get is a box of the 2-ounce singles. These are great for on the go. You can keep them in your fridge, grab one as you're heading out the door, throw one in your purse. You can literally just drink it straight out of this package. Great for traveling. We're about to be heading to California here pretty soon, so I'm gonna definitely take some of these with me. Another question is, does it taste like tomato juice? No, it does not. It's made with wolfberries or goji berries, and it just tastes fruity, sweet, and it's really tasty. So I got a box of 30 2-ounce singles, and then I also got a 4-pack of the bottles. And let me open this and show you what a bottle looks like. This is what a bottle of Ningxia Red looks like. So I just usually keep these in my fridge, pour out 2 ounces whenever I want it. So I got a lot of Ningxia Red this month. Now into the fun stuff. I actually got some new things this month that I have never tried before. So that's kind of what I like to do, is I like to restock on some things that I get every single month or some things that I use every single day. And then I also like to try out a few new products. That way I can slowly ditch and switch. Baby steps is what I'm all about. So I decided to try some of the skincare products from the Art line, and I'm so pleased with them. I've been using them for about a week now, and I can give you guys a full report. I love them. I have really dry skin, and I just needed some help. So the things that I got are the Art Gentle Cleanser. I love this. It's really good. It does a great job of cleansing. It comes in a foam pump. So I just keep this in my shower, which is when I usually wash my face at night to take all my makeup off. I just use 1 pump, and 1 pump goes a really long way. Andrew says he also really likes it. And then I also got the refreshing toner. It smells really good, and it's kind of minty, so when you put it on your skin, I usually just use like a cotton round, and when I like wipe it all over my face, it's kind of minty and has a cooling effect, which is so refreshing and feels so good. So I got the toner, and then I also got the Art Intensive Moisturizer. You guys, look at how cool the packaging is on it. So you take the lid off, you just pull the lid off, and then it has this pump that you press it down, and the moisturizer comes from the middle of it. So it's clearly been used by me, but it's really cool. You just push this down and a little bit of moisturizer comes out the top. This smells really good. It's creamy and but not in a heavy way, so I really love it, especially for nighttime. And I got the intensive moisturizer. There's like a regular one, but I got the intensive just because I have such dry skin. But you can really smell the Lang Lang essential oil in this, which is so good for skin support, but also is a really uplifting, just like good emotional support oil. So winning all around. So I'm really excited that I tried the Art line. There's actually more products. I plan on using some of my Essential Rewards points that I have accumulated and saved to get some of the eye cream. So I'll probably place an order here like today and redeem some of my points to get that. You can actually get a bundle which gives you the cleanser, the toner, and then a moisturizer, like the regular moisturizer. I chose not to go the bundle route only because I wanted the intensive moisturizer, just because my skin's so dry. But that is an option. You can get it as a bundle if you wanted to. Another thing that is new to us this month is the Thieves Whitening Toothpaste, but these are just sample packets because they're currently out of stock of the toothpaste, the whitening toothpaste, because it was so wildly popular. Apparently it works so well. I have yet to try it. So excited to, but apparently it like outbeats so many other brands. And so I'm really excited to try this. Andrew's really excited too. And I kind of surprised him with the whitening toothpaste samples, just because he's been like every month asking if it's back in stock, and it's not yet. But so I got a 10-pack of it for us to try, and then I can also give some away to friends and family for them to try. And then the last thing I'm gonna show you are the freebie oils that I got. Like I said, you get points back for being on Essential Rewards, but you also get monthly promos. Every single month they have different promos. It's either oils or supplements. Every single month on the first of the month they announce it, and it's really exciting to see what it's gonna be this month. So this month I got nutmeg as the 100 PV promo. So for reaching 100 PV, I was able to get a free nutmeg. Nutmeg is great for this time of year because it smells like fall, smells so good. You can diffuse it with cinnamon bark, orange, so many amazing things to make some really great fall scents. But you can also bake with this. I have a friend who just made pumpkin pie, and instead of using spices from her spice cabinet, she used essential oils in place of those. So she used nutmeg, and I believe she used clove, and she said it turned out really, really good. So I'm excited to try to do some fall baking with essential oils as well. So I got a free nutmeg. I got a bottle of orange. So this is actually a 15 milliliter of orange, which is a big bottle. And I love orange to diffuse. It's so uplifting. It's actually uplifting, but it also can help you relax and sleep, which is great because who doesn't want that? And my favorite way to use orange is to put a drop on my toothbrush and toothpaste and brush my teeth to help whiten my teeth, and it really does work. So I got a 15 ml of orange, and then the star of the show, I got a cinnamon bark. This is new to me. I have never tried this. I don't know why, but you guys, this is the best smelling oil I think I've ever smelled in my whole entire life. I don't know if I'm just excited about Christmas or what, but it smells like, you know when you go into a store and they have those pine cones that smell like cinnamon, or like those cinnamon brooms that you can get from like Trader Joe's and things? This is what that smells like, but it's 100% pure cinnamon, not like artificial fragrance or chemicals or any of those like yucky things. It's all real, and it smells so good. It's intense, it's cinnamony, it reminds me of Christmas. So I was so excited to get this for free, and I'll definitely be stocking up on this next month for sure. So you guys, that is it. That is everything that I got in my Essential Rewards order this month. Nature Red took up a lot of that. Normally I don't order that every single month, so every month looks different, but that's the beauty of it, is I get to customize this order according to what I actually need. And this month I needed a restock on Ningxia. Then it was also fun to try some new things as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. You guys, if you are not a part of the Young Living family, do yourself a favor and join now. Starting with a starter kit is honestly the best way to get started, because you get 12 perfect oils to get you started right. You get a diffuser of your choice. You get samples, you get a wholesale membership, which means that you get 24% off anything and everything, always. And if you think you're not gonna wanna order anything else other than your starter kit, you have no idea. You're gonna fall in love with these oils and with these products, and you're definitely gonna be ordering again. So it's really cool to have that 24% wholesale discount. And then if you sign up with me, then you will have access to our exclusive community full of resources. We have Facebook groups, we do Zoom calls, we have classes all of the time. So you are never left to figure these oils and this non-toxic lifestyle out by yourself. We literally do this with you, and I want to walk alongside you every single step of the way. So if you have been wanting to do this, do it now. If you're wondering, why do I need essential oils in my life? You need essential oils because they help support your body to do the things that they're naturally supposed to do. Immune support, sleep support, emotional support, skin support, seasonal support, tummy support. There's just so many things that these oils can do for you and help support your body in, and they have honestly been the biggest blessing in my life, for me and for my family. And so that is why you need essential oils in your life. So if you guys have been wanting to do it, you've been maybe thinking about it, now is the time. Don't wait any longer. Also, a really cool thing is for the month of October, Young Living is giving free shipping to anybody who gets their premium starter kit. So that would be you. Get your premium starter kit, you get free shipping. And then on top of that, I wanna give you a second diffuser. So you're not gonna just have one diffuser, you're gonna have 2 diffusers, and you're gonna want 2 diffusers because you'll have a diffuser maybe in your main living room, but then it's time to go to bed at night and you don't wanna have to pick up your diffuser, take it with you upstairs to your bedroom to set it up for nighttime. You'll have one for each space, one in your bedroom, one in your living room, or wherever you decide that you want to put your diffusers and set them up. You're gonna have 2 of them. So you're well on your way to just wellness and living that oily life. So I'm excited for you guys. I am excited to get you started. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a unique link that I will give you when you're ready to sign up. So you can either ask me in the comments down below, or you can follow me over on Instagram. I have a wellness account called simplyessentials_Allie, and I would love to chat with you guys over there. I post about essential oils and just wellness in general all the time there. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I can get you that link to use to join our team. You guys, I'm so excited. This is a really exciting thing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.